Hi, guys.
We are showing you some.
No, stop. No, stop. I'm doing it. So, hi. Today we have some jelly snacks. And this is her who does the shorts.
Yeah. Okay. I'll show you guys I'll show you guys.
Okay, no.
flavors.
So first we have
Green apple.
green apple. Then we have mango.
Let me tell them.
No, I'm doing it. Then we have mango.
And then we have orange.
No, this is peach.
Peach. That's okay. We have strawberry.
Strawberry. And then I'll do the
It's
last
red.
two.
Yeah, we do.
Pineapple. And grape.
So great.
I'm gonna start with the peach.
Can I taste some?
What was the deal after?
Yeah.
So, ooh. No, I'm sorry, it's just real money.
Here. Come and get it.
These are called jelly snack.
There's my piece.
You can really order these.
Yeah, they're real good. They're good. Where did you get those from? Let me tell them.
No. Guys, you gotta go find it yourself. So,
Looks so good. And also, it has ice, little like ice cubes.
that's not ice.
Ice cubes.
That's not ice. That's
me.
coconut gel.
Do you see those little squares? It's real slippery. You should. Yeah.
Mark, you go get me a napkin and a tissue. Sorry for the background. I'm sorry, y'all. That's gross. But
Here are the ones in case you spilled some. It's real messy. You don't I didn't
it's
mean.
real good.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put my hand in the camera, but yeah. Is it good? She put the whole thing in her mouth. It looks like it's good. At the end, let me make a video. Okay?
I'm almost done. So
Oh, you
what's
can't.
the
Your
first
phone's
one?
about to go dead.
Come on, Angel, let's go upstairs. What's your passcode?
Mom,
Oh,
999.
When you're done, bring my phone upstairs and take yours.
Alright,
Come on, Angel, let's go.
it's good.
Yeah, it's good. We're good.
You don't even know what it tastes like.
I have tasted jelly fruit,
It
but
tastes way more different than
I
jelly.
can't
Jelly
tell
food is
them.
disgusting.
yeah, this is our first time making a video.
No, not mine. That's yours.
I tell them I'm gonna get a chance too.
If you keep asking me, you ain't gonna get no chance. So, we've got this inspired by Vicky Cassie. And should I do some ASMR? Should I do some ASMR?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Just do one more, okay? Just do the green apple. Next, she's gonna do.
No, I'm not.
She's doing grape, purple grape. It might taste like those are grape.
I'm
but
getting
might
this
not.
off. Getting this off.
That's an ice cube there. I'll be back, guys.
Sorry, y'all. Dang. Oh.
Do you need help?
Mm-mm.
Be careful.
Tell me where to go. Let me take a shower.
Are you done with work? Because if you do get some gas and you get to work.
What?
Can you get me a fork, please?
Put 20 bucks in. I've been putting gas in this since Friday.
Well, I need to do because I don't have any.
So this one's great.
Plastic forks?
No, it's not working. And this one does have the stuff in there.
My sister needs everything. She just doesn't want to get out the video. She wants to keep showing you.
Mmm.
Oh, I'm not playing. Let's take it in the serious.
So,
Yeah, I did plan on driving it, guys.
Ooh.
we gotta make sure I got gas and get there and get home.
Sorry for the slurping.
Sorry, I had to fight.
It's gonna be.
No, you did not. You just went over there to go ask if you could play.
I did.
Yes, you did.
Sorry to interrupt.
It's like 5 or 6 cameras.
Okay, so should I slurp it? Should I slurp it? Should I slurp it? I'm scared. Also, y'all should go get some jelly straws. I haven't had them yet, but they're good.
Well, we got the tablet in here.
Okay.
And don't watch if you have a phobia of jelly.
What'd you say?
Nothing, I'm talking to the camera.
Just like a doggy daddy, but it's not.
Alright. Now let's do some ASMR. Wait, before I do this, if you don't like ASMR, skip.
You're welcome. That was my money, Ariel.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I said thanks. Okay. Just stop drinking it. And the ASMR is over. Want it?
I want one of those.
Do you want it?
I want a green apple. You said I can get
What are
two.
you doing?
Nothing.
Filming the video after, and then after I'm gonna go clean up my room.
I'm helping you. You owe me two for cleaning up both rooms.
I don't need your help.
You owe me two of those.
Why? I don't need your help. We haven't even started. I don't need your help. And I'm cutting this clip out of us arguing. I hope you know that. So, I do not have an editor.
Dang it, just ate it.
So, I really do need an editor and a thumbnail person because I don't know how to do that yet. So, hold on. So, yeah, I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Hold on. Oh, stupid. I'm going to slurp it.
Sorry, slipped out her mouth.
Now I gotta get that thumbnail pic. Sorry, y'all. Press that. Right there.